there, Errin. My name is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our 2008 Ford Escape. That vehicle right now is going through our award-winning service department, but I have so many vehicles to choose from, so many vehicles that will fit your budget and your needs. I do also have two more recent Escapes as well, which are 2017, but I know you're interested in the 2008. So please give me a call at 205-380-6250 so we can set up an appointment and a time that's convenient for you to come in, and you'll be the first one to take it for a test drive today. Again, I have so many vehicles to choose from. I would love for you to come on down, take a look, take the Ford Escape 2008 for a test drive. If that one doesn't meet your budget or your needs, I do have other vehicles to choose from as well. My name again is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. The address here is 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. You can also call me on my cell phone because I can receive text messages as well. That number is 205-702-1029. Remember, here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I know I'll see you soon.